at number 14. And just before I carry on, I wanted to share this whole environment with you. It is such a crazy privilege to be here right now. We're in Paris. We're in the city of love, one of the most romantic places in the world. To my left is a little fashion shoot going on over here. There's a little couple being photographed over there, getting engaged. Last night we came back from dinner at the Eiffel Tower, and this beautiful couple getting photographs across the road. Beautiful, stunning, ruffled white wedding dress. And I'm going to pull them in, my friend Danielle and Keisha. I want to show you what it takes. I hope you can get them both in here. So these are amazing friends of mine. Danielle Fenster, who is a professional stylist herself, and Keisha, who is a long-standing friend, who is our marketing manager. And not only, so I call it friends with, what did I say?
Benefits.
Friends with benefits. Her nickname, I call her Legs because she literally has the best legs in the world. I put her in front of the camera and she makes my brand look good. Professional stylist, model, and friend who every now and again comes and sprays my hair down and keeps it going, and was at the back of it there, kind of being this good-looking bulldog, saying, excuse me, can you move out the way? We're just filming. Can you, in her beautiful American accent. And then Keisha, who is standing with pen and paper, who loves fashion, who loves Paris, who loves what we stand for, and actually left her corporate career to be with her family and to work with companies that you said are making the world a better place.
Yep, absolutely.
And I just wanted to share that with you before we carry on with number 14. It's a privilege to be here. It's not a studio kind of BBC, CNN closed environment, and we actually love that. We want you to come to Paris. What? They need to come and be inspired. And don't say it's on your bucket list and not do it. Like, plan a date and go for it, because we're regular people going after our dreams. And once you step out and do that, yeah, you're going to get criticized. That's okay. You do anyway. But you'll form relationships with people like this. Behind the camera is a good-looking guy by the name of Graham Mika, who at lastminute.com agreed to do this shoot with us. And so it all has come together. So thank you. Mwah, mwah. As we do in Paris. Mwah. I just had to share that with you because I'm a regular girl living my dream. We're actually here in Paris filming the Capsule wardrobe, something that I've been thinking about for years. And it's thanks to my coach and mentor, Danny Johnson, that this brand, Linda Page, was inspired. So we're at number 14 and we're talking cigarette pants, black cigarette pants. A lot of people don't know what cigarette pants are. They're actually simpler than they sound. Cigarette pants are just nice fitted, good quality black pants that don't go all the way to the bottom of your leg. They actually stop just short of your ankle. Some of them have pockets. Now, if you're very wide-hipped, you might want to avoid that to start with, depending on if you get a good stylist to help you to find some. But most don't have pockets, and you, for example, can wear them with a nice little belt, your feminine blouse with some flat ballet shoes. But the black cigarette pants are an absolute staple. You can wear them with high heels and your blazer with your beautiful white cami or your white t-shirt. So much to do with where you live and what you do for a living and where you go socially. So at number 14 for the Linda Page Capsule wardrobe is the black cigarette pants.